Alright, so we are back out here at the park, as you can see, and we got the Bushwacker, same spot as we were before. We got more rubber bands this time. Hopefully that we're not going to have that much of a problem with it, because that's kind of unfortunate, but thankfully, quick and easy repair. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it down in the description below. But yeah, let's go ahead and just pop this thing on my head and get to a Re-Maiden of this thing, hopefully with better results. Alright, so we got our CG all balanced out. You can see we've got even less throw on the ailerons, and I dialed back on the elevator too. I think the rudder's fine, but hopefully this will provide some better results. Here we go. This bigger prop feels a lot different. There we go. Need to seriously get some trim on that elevator. Flying well, still got some pretty decent rates. Definitely, like I said, probably need to sub-trim the elevator. It's having, I don't know if I got some added down thrust from the motor in that sense, but it has that 11-inch prop on it that's a little bit different, but you can see still very agile plane in the air. Nice big lazy wing over here. Love this thing. It's a really agile, nice flying airplane. And this is nice and slow. Do a little touch and go on the ground, maybe. Yeah, let's go around and try that again. There is a little bit less wind this time, which is nice. And we're gonna see what we can do here. Get this thing on the ground. All the vertical I could ever need is in this plane right here. It's flying a little bit differently than I remember it, but that's all right. I think it's just that elevator that I'm holding 3/4 up right now, and just to keep it going straight. Probably gonna go back down to a 10-inch prop. I feel like that's a little bit smoother. Might have to assess my motor mounting situation, see if the power pod got bent in at all. Other than that, I mean, it's flying really solid in the air, nice and commanding. Still have plenty of aileron throw, as you probably could see with those crazy rolls. But I mean, seriously, such a great flying plane, and it's a pretty nice night for this. It's overcast still, but you can see that there's, you know, at least remnants of a sunset here in the like orange-colored clouds. All right. It looks like that's my battery, so let's go ahead and bring it in for a landing. There we go. And it did nose over a little bit, that's fine. Let's see if we can taxi it all. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for the FT Bushwacker. Looks like we actually have to do some aileron adjustment right there. But with that said, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.